This is how to change wallpaper on iOS 26 iPhone. Alright, first is to get to your settings. Alright, the position on your home screen may be different. So see mine here, so I'll tap on it. As the settings page opens, scroll down, alright, until you see the wallpaper option as one of the settings options, okay? So tap on it. Then on getting to this, you will see your existing wallpaper. Alright, you can see this one. I tried it before. I tried this one before, and this was originally what the iPhone came with. Alright, so you have to tap on add new wallpaper. On tapping on this, you'll be presented with some options depending on the one customized based on what the iPhone decided to choose from your photos gallery, just like this one here. All right, that is then featured. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will see more that you can tap on. Okay, maybe you want to use the emoji type, you tap on emoji wallpaper, any of them, and it will show you the preview of how it will look like at the end. Then you tap on add button, which is at the top right. Sometimes this may not look so clear depending on how the wallpaper looks like. So, but look very well, you see that at the top right. So I'll tap on mine, and here it shows you a preview. Okay, tap on set as wallpaper pair, and it's being applied. Okay, let's get to the home to see how it looks like. Okay, and here is how the wallpaper looks like. If you press on the power button and turn it on again, it will return to how it should look like fully when you start using it. And this is how it will look like on a normal. Okay,